Here we go, flash flood warning.
Has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hamilton County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain has
Holy
fallen.
moly!
The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour.
Wow.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fishers and Noblesville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hamilton, Indiana,